All right, so now I want to talk to you about the entry-level rope kit and the changes we made for 2018. Just like in the entry-level spur kit, we've got the Buckingham split suspension wide back harness, entry-level harness, you know, and as with all our kits, you can upgrade. One of the most important things you can buy for your climbing equipment, one of the most important, is a harness. So you could feel free to upgrade. Quality of manufacture on this harness is excellent, but it is based upon older, much older climbing, climbing harness manufacturing and not systems, but just the way that it's built. You know, there's not a lot of adjustability in these, but if you're on your spurs, it's going to be a comfortable harness. It's going to be comfortable to hang in, but that's something you certainly would want to upgrade if possible. So what we were offering in our rope climbing kit before was a rope lanyard, but we had a mechanical adjuster on there, a rope grab. One of the advantages of having where we've switched to a Prusik slack tending pulley and carabiner is one-handed adjustment, easy to use. You can use this as a short climbing line for that overhead redirect if you want to hang off your central attachment point, and you got a little bit lighter weight. You don't have that big stiff wire cord dangling around. If you don't need a wire cord, I say don't use it. So the change is you have your 15-foot Bigfoot lanyard, 28-inch bailout Prusik, the SMC slack tending pulley, and a Pirate carabiner, and that sets up your lanyard system. Still comes with Jeppson's Tree Climber's Companion. Where we switched our throw weights out from the Weaver throw weights, we went with the West Coast manufacturer. We got the color patterns that we wanted. So now we have our Climb Right lead shot throw weights. Got the nice little D-shaped connector ring there. Still have the loop at the bottom for double bag and things of that nature. All three sizes that we make are gonna have a pink panel, and then white and pink is 10 ounce, yellow and pink is 12 ounce, 14 ounces orange and pink. So there's your Climb Right throw weights, your little storage bag for your throw line. And then we still have the Marlowe throw line because for the value, price point, this is a good choice. And then where we made a change on the rope system a couple years ago, we still have the Arborplex rope in here, 12 strand solid braid. And we went with 2 Rocco carabiners, a 9mm Rip Prusik, and then the SMC slack tending pulley. This gives you the versatility of a open system that's much easier to use than the traditional open system that we did have, where you had the single leg split tail, the dog leash snap, and the slack tending carabiner. This has a lot less gain than that system, so this is an improvement there for the customer. One thing to think about in an upgrade on this climbing kit is if you want to get a sewn eye on this to kind of clean that termination point up. So that's our rope climbing kit available at WesSpur Tree Equipment.